And things are bad in India as well as the country here is grappling with the deadly second wave of coronavirus. The country is set to procure essential supplies now, from Remdevisir to oxygen, from a host of other countries. WION has learnt that quite a few countries are willing to send supplies now, including Russia and the US, who has offered to help in any way possible.
Yes, obviously India is going through a very terrible situation right now. They've had yesterday the largest number of cases that has ever been reported by any country. They have a situation there where there are variants that have arisen. We have not yet fully characterized the variants and the relationship between the ability of the vaccines to protect, but we're assuming clearly that they need vaccines. The CDC is helping out by consulting with them, as they have in other countries in which there are situations, and giving technical assistance. But it is a dire situation that we're trying to help in any way we can. We just have to see how things go. And obviously they need to get their people vaccinated, because that's the only way we're going to turn that around.
And British Prime Minister Boris Johnson also said he was looking to see what UK can do to support India, like providing ventilators.
I am very concerned about the COVID situation. I was very sad to have to cancel the trip, because India is a great partner, a great friend of ours, but it was just absolutely essential to do. We're looking at what we can do to help and support the people of India, possibly with ventilators in the way that I've described. Thanks to the ventilator challenge, the huge efforts of British manufacturers, we're better able now to deliver ventilators to other countries, but also possibly with therapeutics, dexamethasone, other things. We'll look at what we can do to help.
India is also looking to its east for supplies, trying to source oxygen and ISO containers from Singapore. ISO containers are large standardized shipping containers, ones that can be used across different modes of transport. Oxygen generators will also be provided by Japan, with the procurement process still underway. Meanwhile, Tokyo has in the past extended COVID-19 emergency assistance to India as well. Offers of help have also poured in from other quarters of the world. French President Macron, he sent out a message of solidarity to the Indian people, saying France stands ready to provide any kind of support. Germany too has pledged support for the crisis. Armed Forces Medical Services will be importing 23 mobile oxygen generation plants from Germany. These plants are expected to come to the country within a week. They will then be deployed in AFMS hospital, which are army hospitals catering to COVID patients. European Union has also extended support now in a conversation between the Executive Vice President of European Commission and India's External Affairs Minister. He tweeted, however, that after the meeting, and I quote, "The EU stands in solidarity with the Indian people amidst resurgent COVID-19 pandemic. The fight against the virus is a common fight." I end quote. The President of European Council, Charles Michel, also reiterated that European Union stands in solidarity with India. The bloc's support to India will be discussed during EU-India leaders meet on 8th of next month. WION now available in your country. Download the app and get all the news on the move.